Hi, I'm Olivia and welcome back to my channel, Olivia Made. So I have been wanting to purchase a Brother machine or just an embroidery machine. And I finally did. I went on Facebook and I found one. It was like an hour away, but it was worth the drive. It's this right here, this Brother, I think it's the PE800. It's been a fun machine. I'm learning, I'm watching a lot of videos on it, but I wanted to just say, if you want to learn how to embroider with the embroider machine, don't be afraid. Just buy one and start using it, and you're going to learn as you go. If you have this mentality, well, oh gosh, it's so hard, it's so hard. You know what? Everything is hard, but it's what you put into it and how much you want to learn. And you really want an embroidery machine. I really wanted an embroidery machine. Number one, the reason why I was like just pressured to get one is because my daughter-in-law, my son was getting married, and my future daughter-in-law, well, now my daughter-in-law, she wanted some items made. And of course, I couldn't say no. And so I went ahead and just started searching a lot of different items on Facebook, brand new ones, and then used ones. And thank goodness I found one. Just start playing with it. Read your manual. If you have any questions, you don't know what to do, go to your manual and read your manual. Anyway, let's get started. All right, so to begin, this is my hoop. I just measured it. It's like 5 by 6. Now, I've been watching a lot of videos, and people always say that they use tearaway stabilizer, but they never say if it's fabric or paper. I bought this on Amazon. It's Stitch and Tear Stabilizer. It is definitely out of paper. You could just tear it, and it's paper. It's a little thicker, not as thick as cardstock. This is what I use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of the stabilizer. I'm just going to lay my hoop on there, and then I'm just going to cut a piece that is just slightly bigger than my piece here. All right, I just added a cutting board here. So you just want it just a little bigger than your hoop. So here I'm just going to slice a piece. All right, then you're going to put your tearaway paper on top of your hoop. And there's two ways you could embroider. You could lay your material on here and then do a stitch. So I'm going to actually do that. Let me get a piece of material. All right, I just got a scrap piece, so I'm just going to lay this on there. I want to make sure that it overlaps a little bit on your hoop. You want your material just taut, so I just pull it a little bit, and then you can clamp it here to make it a little tighter here. And then, can you hear that? That means it's tight, and that's good. So we're just going to do a basic letter, and so let me show you that. Turn on the machine. Let's choose a font. We're just going to do a simple letter. So let's hit A. We will just do this, and then we'll hit an uppercase A, and then we will scroll over and we'll do a lowercase a. We'll see that it's flashing. It means you can't use that, but we are going to use that one, which is this size right here, which is like a 5 by 6. This one here is a 5 by 7. So let's go here, and we will set. Now it's telling me that it's going to embroider right in the center of this hoop. So if we tap edit end and we type this little square and then this comes up, so this, by pressing this, will show you exactly where it's going to stitch. And it's going to stitch right in the center of the material. So we will hit OK. And we are going to embroider. So here, let's hit embroidery. You see how it's ready to embroider, but however, this light needs to be red. So the reason why it's not is because we have to lower the foot and see how it turns green. So now we are going to hit the green button and it's going to start. I always like to pause and then cut the tail of the stitch and then hit start. So it tells you that your machine is done embroidering. So we will lift up the presser foot. We will press this button here and release the back first, and the front will come up. Now let's come over here and it's always good to cut the stitching off. And let me show you the back. So this is the back. Looks really nice. This is the front. We are going to release the material by unscrewing the hoop, loosening it up. Now, this is the tear away. You just tear it off. And the inside paper. And that's what the back looks like. And this is the front. And using the tearaway, a stabilizer in the back, having like a medium weight is good because it doesn't, it helps the letters to not get all wrinkly, and that's why it's good to have your material stretched out as well. So anyway, use the fonts that come with your machine, get used to machine, and have fun with it. There's a lot that you could do with it, and you don't have to purchase anything. But I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or you want to see some other videos of other stuff, please let me know. I really enjoy helping and showing people. So again, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and have a great day.